Hello everyone. I'm Peppa Pig. Have you ever watched the show that I star in? Today, I'm very happy to be here and join you in a new lesson from Happy Art Corner. Let's get started. First, we will start with drawing the crown. Then, let's draw my nose. Face. Eyes. And mouth. Next, let's draw my body. Please draw my arms, dress, and tail. And finally, complete the picture by drawing my legs and angel wings. Have you finished drawing? If not, you can pause for a moment to finish your drawing. When you have completed your drawing, let's color me in. Do you have your coloring pencils ready? If yes, let's begin. I am a pink pig, and I really like the color pink. So, please use a dark pink for my dress and shoes. For my skin, use a lighter pink. Next, use purple to color my wings. Finally, use yellow for my crown. Wow, you're done. The picture looks great, doesn't it? You can also use your imagination and choose the colors you like to create your own unique Peppa Pig. Thank you for watching today's lesson. Remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to update the latest videos and meet other adorable friends. Goodbye and see you next time.